now to question number 4 of NACP 2019-20. In this problem, a wedge of mass m is kept on a frictionless surface. A block of mass small m is kept over the wedge. There is a friction between the block and the wedge. As the block slides down, the wedge slides along -x direction. In this problem, we are supposed to find the course of the motion of the center of mass of the block plus wedge system. If you look at this problem carefully, this happens to be the center of mass of the block and this is the center of mass of the wedge. The center of mass of the combined system has to lie somewhere on the line joining the two center of mass, and this is the center of mass of the system. As the block slides down, the wedge travels in the backward direction. When this event happens, there is no external force acting on the system, and hence we can expect that the net force acting on the system along x direction is equals to 0. This implies that momentum of the center of mass along x direction must be constant. Initially, the block and the wedge both are at rest, and hence we can expect that the velocity of the center of mass is 0, and hence the momentum of the center of mass of the system should also be 0, and hence the center of mass of the system along x direction should be equals to 0, that is m plus small m into velocity of center of mass along x direction is equals to 0. This implies that the velocity of center of mass of the system along x direction is equals to 0. It effectively means that the center of mass of the combined system must fall vertically, as depicted in this diagram. This was the previous position when the block was at the top. This is the final position of the combined center of mass as the block has hit the bottom. As the block slides down the inclined plane, the velocity of the block is increasing, and hence we can also expect that the velocity of the combined center of mass this increase as it falls vertically downwards. So out of these 4 options, if we read each of the options given carefully, then you'll notice that the 4th option is correct, because the center of mass of the combined system that moves vertically with increasing speed. Thank you.